Hello and welcome to the Manifestors Circle. Today we're going to be talking about the manifesting millionaire's secret, specifically addressing how to overcome feeling frustrated by your current financial situation and how to use the law of attraction to manifest your millionaire reality. So, if you want to improve your financial situation and become a millionaire, this video is for you. The law of attraction states that we can attract whatever we focus on into our lives. If we focus on positive thoughts and feelings, we will attract positive experiences and outcomes. Conversely, if we focus on negative thoughts and feelings, we will attract negative experiences and outcomes. It's important to understand that becoming a millionaire is not just about manifesting money. It's also about what money can provide. For many people, becoming a millionaire means having peace of mind, the ability to live a luxurious lifestyle, and the freedom to do what they love. By focusing on the benefits of becoming a millionaire, rather than just the money itself, you'll be more motivated to take action toward your goals. To use the law of attraction to manifest your millionaire reality, you must align your thoughts and feelings with the reality you desire. This means constantly visualizing yourself as a millionaire, feeling the emotions of having all the money you want, and believing that you can and will become a millionaire. By doing this, you are sending out a clear and powerful message to the universe that you are ready to receive the millionaire reality you desire. One example of a millionaire who used the law of attraction to manifest wealth is Oprah Winfrey. Oprah is one of the world's most successful and influential women, with a net worth of over $2 billion. She is a media mogul, television host, actress, and philanthropist. Oprah is known for her positive and empowering attitude toward life. She's often spoken about how she used the law of attraction to manifest her millionaire reality. Oprah has said that she visualized herself as a successful television host and believed in her ability to achieve that reality. She also speaks frequently about the power of positive thinking and the importance of having a growth mindset. Oprah has spoken about the importance of taking action toward your goals. She has said that she worked hard to build her career and didn't wait for opportunities to come to her. Instead, she created them. Oprah's story is a powerful example of how the law of attraction can be used to manifest wealth and success. She believed in herself, visualized her millionaire reality, and took action toward her goals. Her positive attitude and determination helped her to achieve millionaire reality. It's completely normal to feel frustrated with your current financial situation. Still, it's important to remember that this is just temporary. The key is to shift your mindset and believe that you can and will become a millionaire. One tip to overcome frustration is to focus on the present moment and take action toward your goals. For example, instead of dwelling on the current financial situation that you're in, focus on what you can do right now to move forward. Whether learning new skills, networking, or saving money, taking action will help you feel more in control and less frustrated. Another tip is to surround yourself with positive influences. For example, surround yourself with successful people with a growth mindset. This will help shift your mindset and inspire you to take action toward your goals. Many people believe that money is hard to come by. Unfortunately, this belief will reverberate in you if you choose to believe it. There are countless opportunities and ways to make money. The key is to shift your mindset and believe that you can become a millionaire. Many millionaires believe that they would be successful long before they acquired their wealth and put the energy into the world to make their beliefs a reality. This is crucial in manifesting your millionaire reality using the law of attraction. By believing in yourself and the ability to become a millionaire, you set the stage for that reality to manifest. In conclusion, becoming a millionaire is not just about having a lot of money. It's also about having the right mindset and beliefs. If you want to become a millionaire, you must think and visualize yourself as one. Trust in yourself and your abilities. Shift your mindset about money and believe in your ability to become a millionaire. Remember to focus on the present moment. Take action toward your goals. Surround yourself with positive influences, and remember that your financial situation is temporary if you're feeling frustrated. Remember that it's not just about manifesting money, but also about what it can provide, such as peace of mind, luxury, and freedom. Align your thoughts with your actions so that you can create the lifestyle that you desire. Thank you for tuning in. Subscribe for more daily lessons on manifestation and the law of attraction from the Manifestors Circle.